guys, I'm Nikita, and today if you have seen me, I'm going somewhere. And where is it? It's an amazing food fest in Ahmedabad, which is Zomaland. And I hope you have heard about it, and I'm very excited because today is my day and I'm going to eat anywhere, anything I want. There's no restriction. So guys, this is a makeup video that I'm going to show you that how I got ready, and if you like it or not, it all depends upon you. But you have full right to comment on it if you like it or not. But this is my trial makeup, and I have you can see my whole look. I have done a ponytail and everything, and I am using these accessories in ears and So guys, let's get started.